With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone, let's take a question. So here this question is paragraph based question. So here the paragraph says the elements of group 1 describe more clearly than any other group of elements. Okay, what it does it describe? That is the effect of increasing the size of atoms, ions on the physical and chemical properties. That how these affect the physical and chemical properties. These are closely related to their electronic structure and sizes. These Group 1 elements are highly electropositive and form very strong bases, and even they also have the stable oxo salts. Okay, and in the manufacturing of sodium hydroxide, chlorine, and sodium carbonate, the sodium chloride is used as the starting material. Okay, so here we are given about the group 1 that they are highly electropositive, they form strong bases like that. Okay, so here our question is, which of the following has highest solubility in water? If we see the options, okay, so what are these? These are our hydroxides of the alkali metals, right? These are our hydroxides of the alkali metals, of alkali metals, right? So here we have these as the hydroxides of alkali metals. Okay, if we talk about the hydroxides of alkali metals, so they behave as very strong bases. They behave as very strong bases. Why? Due to their low ionization enthalpies. Okay, due to low ionization enthalpies, low ionization enthalpies. Okay, so here what happens is, here we have the MOH. Okay, but it is MOH bond. Okay, so due to the low ionization enthalpies, this bond, the MO bond, can easily break and we will have the formation of M plus OH minus. Okay, we will have the formation of M plus OH minus. So here the hydroxide sequence is LiOH, NaOH. Okay, then we have KOH, RbOH, and cesium hydroxide, right? So as we move down the group, the ionization enthalpy decreases. Okay, ionization enthalpy decreases. Due to that, what happens is, okay, this bond, MOH bond, is more and more easily cleaved. Okay, it is more and more easily cleaved. So due to that, what happens is, as we move down the group, the basic strength increases. If the basic strength is increasing, then what happens is, their solubility also increases. Their solubility also increases. It means that the cesium hydroxide will be highly soluble in water. Even if we talk about the lithium hydroxide, this one, it is least or we can say insoluble in water. Okay, but here cesium hydroxide is highly soluble in water. We have discussed the factors, so here our answer will be cesium hydroxide. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.